I've never gotten rid of ants so quickly. I scared them away simply, and they haven't returned. When ants get too close to your home, garden, or your child's sandbox, you just need to spray a homemade solution. It's 100% effective. If you have ants in the sandbox, this will also deter cats that often use the sandbox as a litter box. Start by preparing a bowl of water. Add a few teaspoons of cinnamon to it. Ants hate the smell of this spice. Then squeeze the juice of a lemon and add it to the cinnamon water. This is another scent ants dislike. The next ingredient is coffee grounds. Add a few teaspoons of them. Coffee grounds are one of the best products for repelling ants. Finally, add a few drops of mild soap or dishwashing liquid. Mix everything and let it sit for a few hours. Then strain the mixture. Pour it into a spray bottle. Now, you just need to spray the areas where you see ants. You can spray the soil around plants, benches, or the sandbox. Also, secure the entrance to the terrace. This method isn't harmful to ants or other insects, but it is effective. The ants will simply relocate to another place. I've never gotten rid of ants so quickly. I scared them away simply, and they haven't returned. When ants get too close to your home, garden, or your child's sandbox, you just need to spray a homemade solution. It's 100% effective. If you have ants in the sandbox, this will also deter cats that often use the sandbox as a litter box. Start by preparing a bowl of water. Add a few teaspoons of cinnamon to it. Ants hate the smell of this spice. Then squeeze the juice of a lemon and add it to the cinnamon water. This is another scent ants dislike. The next ingredient is coffee grounds. Add a few teaspoons of them. Coffee grounds are one of the best products for repelling ants. Finally, add a few drops of mild soap or dishwashing liquid. Mix everything and let it sit for a few hours. Then strain the mixture. Pour it into a spray bottle. Now, you just need to spray the areas where you see ants. You can spray the soil around plants, benches, or the sandbox. Also, secure the entrance to the terrace. This method isn't harmful to ants or other insects, but it is effective. The ants will simply relocate to another place. It only takes a moment to get rid of ants for good. The ants will flee, a home remedy that works better than chemical products. Prepare a small bowl. Take 2 white tablets. That's aspirin. It has more uses than you think. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which irritates ants. Crush each tablet into fine powder. Then pour about 17 ounces of warm water into a glass container. This will help the aspirin dissolve more effectively. Add the powdered aspirin and mix thoroughly. Now it's time for the vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon to the mixture. Vinegar has a strong scent that ants can't stand. It also has antibacterial and preservative properties. Mix everything again. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. This will make it easier to apply to hard-to-reach places. Spray every corner where you see ants. The ants will start avoiding these spots right away and eventually disappear completely. Repeat spraying every few days to keep the effect. It's a simple, inexpensive, and safe method that you can prepare in just a few minutes. Your home deserves it. Just 1 hour is enough to get rid of ants. This trick will make ants flee, allowing you to eliminate an entire ant colony without using harmful chemicals. Let me show you how it's done. Take a lemon, which is the key ingredient for this trick. Also, gather some matches, which are the second most important component. Remove the matches from the box and stick them into the lemon, wooden side down. You should use quite a few matches. Your lemon is now ready to use. Simply place it on the ant mound or in a spot where ants frequently appear. You'll start seeing results in just a few minutes and the final effect within an hour. During this time, the matches will absorb the lemon juice, causing the sulfur to dissolve and seep into the lemon. This combination repels ants because the substances in the lemon peel are toxic to them, and the sulfur enhances the effect. The ants will disappear quickly. There's no need to reach for chemical insecticides right away. Homemade remedies can be quite effective. Get rid of ants for good. I'll show you a homemade method that works better than chemical products. Pour 1 cup of water into a tall container. Add 1 tablespoon of cloves. Their strong scent repels ants and messes with their navigation system. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon creates a scent barrier ants can't cross. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. It disinfects and removes pheromone trails, making ants lose their sense of direction. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap, which helps the mixture stick better to surfaces. Mix everything well and pour it into a spray bottle. That way it's easier to apply the solution where it's needed. Spray all areas where ants appear: food cabinets, entry doors, or balcony windows. These are the spots where they show up most. Use this trick, and ants will be gone for good. Here's an American trick for ants, and it works fast. If you want to get rid of them from your garden or home, this simple and budget-friendly mixture is all you need. Grab an empty plastic bottle and cut off the bottom to create a shallow container. It shouldn't be too deep. Using a soldering iron or something similar, poke a few small holes around the lower part of the bottle. This step is important, so pay attention. Ants are a common issue, especially in spring and summer. In the garden, they can cause a lot of damage. Now for the key ingredients. Baking soda neutralizes the acids in ants' bodies and disrupts their digestion. Add 5 teaspoons of baking soda into the bottle. Next, the bait. Powdered sugar attracts ants with its strong, sweet scent. Add 5 teaspoons of powdered sugar to the mix. Pour in a little water and stir until it forms a pourable paste. Thanks to the holes, ants will easily find their way in. Place the trap where you see them most often. You can also pour a bit of the mixture next to the bottle. Watch how quickly it draws them in. It's an effective way to get rid of ants for good. Draw a chalk line in front of your doors, and you'll get rid of them from your home once and for all. Everyone should do this. The reason is surprising. Once you learn it, you'll do it too, and quickly. Chalk has many uses that can make life easier, which is why you should draw a line with it in front of your home's entrance. To effectively protect your home from ants, simply draw a thick, continuous line of chalk around all entrances: doors, windows, patio doors, and balcony doors. It's important that the line is thick enough and unbroken, covering the entire perimeter of the door or window frame. Since chalk can wear off over time, it's a good idea to refresh the line regularly, especially around frequently used doors or windows. With this method, you won't see ants in your home anymore. These insects can't cross a chalk line, so you'll get rid of ants once and for all. Place this under the table, and ants will never appear on it again. A simple trick will ensure that no ant will climb onto it. It doesn't matter if you have a table on the balcony, terrace, or in the garden. No ant will touch anything on your table anymore, not even their favorite sugar. No picnic, barbecue, or party will be spoiled by the sight of ants eating the treats meant for guests. My aunt showed me this trick, and I couldn't believe how simple it is. Place small bowls under the table legs. Instead of bowls, you can use jar lids. Place them precisely under the table legs. They will act as an impassable barrier for ants. All you need to do is pour water into them. Ants avoid water. This will block their path to the table. They won't be able to reach the tabletop. You can even keep sugar on it without worrying about finding ants in it. This simple water trick will protect you from these insects in the garden.